Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you've ever found yourself frustrated trying to manage overlapping elements in your design, you're going to love this. I'll walk you through exactly how to hide layers in Canva so your workspace stays tidy and your design process stays smooth. First off, why even worry about hiding layers? Whether you're working on a complex poster, an Instagram layout, or any layered graphic, hiding layers gives you control. You can focus on just the pieces you're editing, reduce distractions, and avoid accidentally moving or altering elements that are meant to stay in place. Here's how you do it. Open your Canva project and select an element that's part of the design you might want to hide later. On desktop, you'll click Position Arrow Layers from the Editor menu. On mobile, it's very similar. Tap your design page, then tap Layers in the options. Once the Layers panel is visible, identify the layer you want to hide. One simple way to hide a layer is to reduce its transparency, opacity to 0. That makes it invisible but still keeps it in your design so you can bring it back later. Another method, if hiding a whole group or element is tricky because it's behind other items, you can use Send to Back or Send Backward commands to shift its stacking order, making it easier to select and hide. Remember, hiding a layer doesn't delete it. It keeps the layer in place so you maintain layout integrity and can restore it when needed. That means you can lock down the design without losing any elements. When you're ready to bring the layer back, simply go back to the Layers panel, select the layer and slide the transparency back up or change the stacking order. It's that easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, try it out in your next Canva project and notice how much cleaner your workflow becomes. Until next time, keep designing creatively and with confidence.